Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I am going to start with my Boxycharm. I finally got it. I always get it later than everybody else, it seems, and I wanted to do an unboxing with the last Ricky's Cult Crushes, but here it is, and it's getting really close to the end of the month, and I still haven't gotten my Ricky's. I think it's finally been shipped, but I don't know when I will finally get it, so I will be having that coming as soon as I can. I did redeem some points from Boxycharm for the Becca Endless Summer Glow Lip Gloss from Chrissy Teigen. That was part of their collab. This is what it looks like. And I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it. It's a really nice color. Like, I really like this color. But I also thought it might be a good gift or something for a giveaway. So I haven't decided on that yet, but I did redeem some points for that. So this is my September box. As always, they have this little sheet that tells you what's in it and how much everything is worth. So I'm trying not to look at it before I start. This is what my box looks like inside. And we'll start with the thing that's on top, which is from Laura Geller. It is a Baked Blush and Brighten, and it's in the shade Tropic Hues. So that's what it looks like. And that's what the shade doesn't really, ooh, that's pretty. I like that shade. That's a really pretty blush. So I'm excited to try that. Next in the box is this set of brushes. Oh, I forgot to say what the price was. So the price for that blush was $28, and then these retail for $18. And it looks like it's a set of 3, if I can get them open. And they are from Alamar. So I think this is the brand that gave us, that we got a palette from in July, I believe. So this one is a flat edged brush, and then we have like a mini packer brush, and then a nice blender brush. These are like one of my favorite brushes, so I use that all the time. So that's nice. It's always nice to have extra brushes because, well, I haven't washed my brushes for a very long time at this point. So new brushes is good. Next is from Hank and Henry, and it is a matte liquid lipstick in Petal Pusher. That's a pretty color. It smells pretty good. It's a little darker than I was thinking it was going to be. Looks a little darker on the skin, but that's a really nice color. That kind of reminds me of the shade Infamous from Marc Jacobs. That's a shade that I really enjoy. Next in here is from Butter London. It's a Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner, which is definitely something that I won't use. So this is going to go straight into my giveaway pile because I don't, just drop the brush. I don't use eyeliner a lot, so that's not something I will use. This retails for $19, and the liquid lipstick retails for $17. And then finally in here is from Pretty Vulgar. It is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and I've wanted to get one of these palettes from Pretty Vulgar. I really like their packaging, but I've been lucky that we've gotten several things from this brand in Boxycharm, so I haven't had to buy them on Sephora, but that's what it looks like. I love that it looks like a birdcage. Let's swatch some of the shimmers in here because that's like my favorite thing is the shimmers. We'll do one of the mattes as well. Ooh, that's pretty. The matte is not quite as dark as I would have expected. Ooh, that was the dark brown shade there that's on the bottom. So pretty good. This box is $21 a month. I did not try to get Boxy Luxe because I would have had to got up really early on a Saturday morning, and it was a holiday weekend, and I didn't feel it was worth getting up and trying to do that because they opened it up at 9 a.m. East Coast, and a lot of their subscribers don't live on the East Coast. So I thought that was pretty poor planning, and then I heard that there was a lot of problems and the site crashed like it did for the limited edition box. So at like 6 p.m. my time, I went on and I joined the wait list. And they said that I am on the list to get the December box. I haven't decided if I'm going to get it or not. I want to see some spoilers, but I am on the list for it, which was much easier than actually going and getting up and trying to get on their site and dealing with that, because that was just, nothing is worth getting up that early on a weekend for me. Other people definitely would think that it's worth it, but for me personally, it wasn't worth it. Anyway, let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. Did you get the same thing as me? Did you get something different? I forgot to tell you the eyeshadow palette. It is $35, so that more than pays for this. And like I said, I've been wanting to get some of those, so I'm kind of happy with that. This liquid lipstick, I'm really excited about. Brushes, I'm probably not going to keep all 3 of the brushes, especially the flat shader, or the one that fell on the ground. I'm going to pass that one along because I just never use liner brushes like that. So I would say like almost 4 out of the 5 I'm excited about. So that's really good. And the blush, I can't reach the blush right at the moment because I dropped it as well. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes and watching. If you have not subscribed already, if you wouldn't mind hitting subscribe, it would mean so very much to me. And I'll talk to you guys next time.